Imagine taking one selfie and turning it into 10 different AI-generated masterpieces, from high-fashion editorials to vintage film portraits. Today, I'll show you how to do exactly that, using just your photo, ChatGPT. Hey, welcome to the AI Lab 360. I'm going to walk you through a full workflow, from uploading your own face to generating insanely realistic images, all with prompts. First step, upload a clear portrait of yourself to ChatGPT. Make sure your face is well lit, forward-facing, and high quality. That's how the AI will match the vibe. Face visible. No sunglasses, unless intended. Natural lighting. Now, describe exactly what kind of image you want. This is where the magic happens. The better your prompt, the better the result. Example. Prompt. A highly stylized portrait of the same person with sharp features, wearing a black coat and sunglasses, standing confidently against a bold red gradient background. Editorial 8K fashion style. Paste your prompt in the image generation box. Wait a few seconds, and let the magic happen. You'll see multiple versions. Pick the best one or try again with slight changes. Now that you've got the hang of it, try different styles. Fashion, Y2K, vintage train rides, action shots, surreal edits. The possibilities are endless. Just copy and paste this prompt and create this lovely picture. Download your favorite images. You can upscale them with tools like Remini or Topaz. Perfect for profile pics, posters, album covers, or even content for your brand. That's how I turned my selfie into AI-powered visuals. You can use this prompt with copy and paste really simple. This is magic trick of ChatGPT. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You can customize this prompt and create your photo. Prompt number 5. Side view of me looking out the window of a moving train. The interior is dim and warm-toned, while the outside world rushes by in soft motion blur. I sit still with a thoughtful expression, wearing headphones and a simple hoodie. The aesthetic is nostalgic, reminiscent of 35mm film with soft grain and moody natural lighting. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe, and comment what prompt I should try next. See you in the next video.